everyone and welcome back to my channel today. I thought I would share with you like a little Kmart haul of all the things that I've purchased lately from Kmart. And I've also got some other online shopping that has come through, which I'll also share with you. Some of these will be like a bit of video teasers, I suppose, for what is to come on my channel, and also gives you some ideas of what you can sort of buy as sort of gift ideas as well for Christmas and Father's Day and stuff like that coming up. If you do like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. This really does help my small YouTube channel grow, and be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Oh, my cat loves this puppy rug, so I might show you that one first so she has somewhere to snuggle. So one of my purchases was this poppy throw. I'm gonna actually put prices on the screen because I can't remember what I actually paid for them. So yeah, this is the poppy rug, and I'm actually going to use this on the bottom of my daughter's bed. My cats have been loving, like, you know, that thing that they do with their paws, that thing. They've been really enjoying doing that on this, and it's keeping the rest of her like white bedding a lot cleaner. So we've really been enjoying that, and less fur on her doona cover. The next product I purchased was this hand towel. I just really love the print on it. It's really, really beautiful. And they actually have them in towels as well. I don't know whether I'd actually use a towel like this. I don't know if it's comfortable enough to use. So this one here is just a hand towel. I don't know if I'm actually going to use it or if I'm just going to use it for like display in my bathroom just to make it look pretty. So that is another one. The next item that I purchased was this under the shelf books. So I think they're using it, yeah, they're using it for scarves and belts currently in the picture, but I'm actually going to use it for my long necklaces. So I have my long necklaces hanging on my bed head, either side of my bed head, and I really just want to take them off and have somewhere to put them. So that's where I'm going to put them. You could actually use these for like coffee mugs as well. So if you've got like limited space in your cupboards, you could probably put these in your kitchen and use them, hook them up exactly the same way, and then just hook your coffee mugs on these, or like, you know, kitchen utensils or something like that that have spaces for hooks. So that's another idea that you could use with that product. The next one is for a DIY project that I want to do, and it is the Fawn Forest rug. I think this is $14. It's just so cute. It actually looks like something that you would buy from Adairs. Like, it's just so beautiful. But I've already got 2 dinners for her bed, so I'm thinking of using this on a DIY, so keep your eyes open for that one. This is also going to be for another DIY, which is these wood beaded tassel thing. I actually looked at prices of beads online, and I found that it was actually cheaper for me to buy this, so that's what I've done with that. So that's going to be on a Kmart hacks video at some stage. And this one here is the other purchase that I got. This one is actually for a video that I was supposed to be doing. So I'm supposed to be doing a video, like a $300 home organization and decorating makeover for someone's house. And being locked down, we can't do it, and now I've got told that they have to move, so I don't even know where they're moving to and if this video is going to be possible. So stuff is literally just sitting in my house, so I decided that I'm just going to share this on the haul with you. So one idea that you could probably use for Father's Day is you could probably find their favorite quotes. So all I've done is I've just gone onto their Facebook page. I've just had a look at quotes that they've been sharing, and then I've just actually put it on this letterboard. So I thought that's pretty cool. So the look that I was going for was like blacks, whites, bamboos in that house. So obviously got the bamboo, and then I got, because it was organising and decorating, I got organisation stuff. I got one of these, which I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I just liked it, and it has the wood look cork to it. With glass things and anything that's clear, it's going to go in any house, so that's a great thing if you're a renter to buy clear products, because you know that it's pretty much going to go with anything. I know you can probably get away with white anywhere as well, but yeah, I just find that that goes with any sort of aesthetic. So then I just got one of these bottles here, which I also did another DIY on, so that is going to be in another video as well. So keep your eyes open for my DIY videos. I don't actually label them as Kmart because I want people to, I want everyone to watch them, not just people that have Kmart. So I will be doing a dedicated Kmart video, but yeah, if you see any sort of DIY videos, they're always pretty much using Kmart products. So check them out if you haven't already. So that's going to be in one of those. And then I just got this black canister as well. Now this was to hold these in. And I found out that they actually have ones for utensils already, so I was a little bit shattered that I bought this, to be honest. So, I don't know. I can't be bothered bringing it back. It'll do the job. Oh, and this basket here was also from Kmart, and I was just going to store in all the spare toilet paper rolls and stuff like that in here. My cat is actually playing with the lights at the moment. It's a bit scary. She's just found the cords to the lights, so we may not have lights in a few minutes. Before I get into the other stuff that's not Kmart, I purchased this rectangular mirror tray. This is actually for my bedroom, so I'm going to be putting this in my cupboard, and I'm going to be storing some of my cleaning products on there, so like my linen sprays and stuff like that. I know that this sounds really random to store that on it. You'd usually store like perfumes or jewelry or candles or something, but I thought this would just be like a prettier way of displaying my dedicated cleaning products in the room. And the reason why I'm actually storing them in there is I think it sort of just encourages me to clean more, because when I have a bit more time, I clean, and then I don't have to go around the other side of the house to get cleaning products. But yeah, so that was the idea for this one. This one here was also for my $300 makeover house thing. So I'm not sharing all the products with you because obviously if I do end up doing it, it's going to be like ruining some of it, but this was going to be for a gallery wall. I've seen some really cute ones on Pinterest with just using black and white photos. You can also use like white frames or like the timber look frames, but I just really liked just a black and white is what I was going for with this. So I got a heap of these to make that gallery wall. And moving off to the stuff that is not Kmart, I got this rope. What is it? Macrame rope, macrame, or however you say it, I don't know. Anyway, I got this rope and I'm actually going to be using it for not for that purpose whatsoever. This is for another DIY, bit of a teaser. Yes, using Kmart products and IKEA products, if I can pull it off. I'm hoping that it's not going to be too heavy for what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to try and make it happen. This one here is just from Adairs, so I'm planning on doing also an Adairs hacks video. I know that that sounds strange because Adairs is like an expensive shop, but I'm just going to be showing you how you can purchase products from there that are cheaper and making like an Adairs look out of it still. So that is that one, and it's just a pillowcase. Totally loved it. The back of it is so cute. It's got like the teapot and all that on there. So yeah, there's that one. Then I just did a little bit of online shopping, so I'll show you my online shopping. This is cool for Christmas presents, for stocking fillers, and they're so cheap. So they're these nail stickers. So I've got Peppa Pig here, if your kids are into Peppa Pig, but there's heaps of other characters, so kids aren't into Peppa Pig. And Frozen. I think these were $2.75. I did order a Little Mermaid one as well, but my daughter's actually wearing those, so I just told her that one came when all these came. So one I'm thinking of using for gifts for like my niece, and then the other one will be for her. And these are from, I think she says Lucy Mellon on eBay. So if you look up Lucy Mellon, that's the seller for those. So these ones were for my $300 house makeover video that I was talking about before, which is probably not happening. And this got like a really cute matte on the top. And then the outside's actually shiny, and I just really liked it. I thought that was like, makes it look really nice and like expensive looking. Then I just bought the matching tumbler. They did have like a white shiny tumbler to go with it, but I just like the matte black one, which was from a different set, better. I thought it looked nicer together. Then I also bought these tattoos as well. So these are just temporary tattoos. They are from the, I think the party department. I think they're only $3 or $4. They're really cheap. So these are just unicorns, but you can also get frozen ones as well. So this is another stocking filler. So yes, I have started Christmas shopping already. And then this is another Christmas item as well that I got, was just a pairs game. So my daughter is only 3 and she's really into the Disney princesses. So that's that one. And this is a last item. This one is a trunk organizer. So I actually don't have a 4-wheel drive, so I'm going to try and make this work. I did some measurements in my car and I think I can make this work. And I've just realised it's got Velcro on the back. How cool is that? So maybe if I just buy some, thinking like some Velcro strips for my car, and then I can like attach it to the back of my car that way. I had one of those Kmart ones, the trunk organisers, and because I had my big bulky pram that was just taking up my boot space, I had to leave it in my back seat of my car. It pretty much took up all the room and it was just so big and bulky. Then I moved it to my boot and I still find it really big and bulky, so I wanted this sort of thing, but they didn't sell anything like this for a smaller car, so I've just done some measurements and I'm going to try and like do a little hack and make it work. So that will be in a car organisation video, which will be coming up in the future when all my products come in from my online shopping. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you next week with another video. Bye.